Hey everyone, welcome back to Top 10 Best Amazon Review Products. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any updates. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Top 8 Kitchen Dish Dining Rack Amazon Gadgets and Innovation Videos. Like, we're going to unbox the latest gadget that's taking the tech world by storm. Or, I'll share my top 8 kitchen dish dining rack. So, let's start the video. The tutorial. Dish Drying Rack is a multifunctional kitchen essential, offering ample space for dishes, cutlery, and even pots. Its sleek, rust-resistant design ensures durability, while the integrated drainage system keeps your countertop dry and tidy. Perfect for maximizing kitchen efficiency and maintaining a clutter-free work. Transform your kitchen space with this sleek dish drying rack. Its space-saving design fits perfectly on your counter, while the 360-degree rotatable drain spout ensures water flows seamlessly into the sink. Keep your dishes organized and your kitchen clutter-free with this must-have addition. The dish drying rack is a small yet efficient solution for any kitchen. Made of durable stainless steel, it features an adjustable design to fit various dish sizes. The included silicone drying tray keeps your counter spotless, making it perfect for compact kitchens. Stylish and practical, it's a must-have for organized cooking spaces. The Matsi Space-Saving Dish Drying Rack is a sleek and efficient solution for your kitchen counter. Its compact design maximizes space while accommodating multiple dishes, utensils, and cups. Made from durable materials, this dish rack ensures long-lasting use and easy cleanup. Perfect for modern kitchens seeking both style and functionality. The Beeland Dish Drying Rack is a sleek, space-saving solution that keeps your kitchen organized. With its durable stainless steel design and ample storage, it effortlessly holds all your dishes and utensils. The water draining system ensures a dry and spotless countertop, ideal for modern kitchens. The FamHap Dish Drying Rack with Drain Board is a game-changer for your kitchen. Its adjustable spout ensures water drains efficiently, keeping your counter spotless. The sleek design maximizes space, making it perfect for any kitchen. A must-have for anyone seeking style and functionality. Maximize your kitchen and bathroom space with our versatile dish rack with drain board. This sleek organizer is perfect for narrow spaces, efficiently holding dishes, utensils, or bathroom essentials. The integrated drain board ensures quick drying, keeping your countertops clutter-free and spotless. Upgrade your organization game with this compact and stylish solution. The Monster Dish Drying Rack is a sleek, space-saving solution perfect for small kitchens. It efficiently holds and drains dishes, maximizing countertop space while keeping your kitchen tidy. Durable and stylish, it's a must-have for organized modern